Pay attention to the driver in this white Chevy here. The driver is going to go crazy and start brake checking because the dashcam driver passed him. Look what he does. The moron brake checks. And things are going to get a lot worse from here. The dashcam driver tries to get away and is not doing anything to provoke the moron, but he keeps brake checking, almost causing an accident. But he is going to get instant karma in just a moment. What an absolute turd. And notice there's a little bit of damage on his bumper. Oh, I wonder why. And then he sticks his hand out the window. Middle finger. What an absolute tough guy moron. And then look at what the driver in the black GMC Yukon does. The driver in the Yukon saw what the driver in the Chevy was doing and decides to teach him a little lesson. Always love to see this. The brake checker ends up getting brake checked. And this allowed the dashcam driver to speed away to prevent further conflict.